Hey there, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Before we get into the lesson, I just want to quickly let you know that we have 2 lessons here every single week at my channel, Simon Morel Guitar. Do subscribe, hit the bell, and you will be notified when those lessons come along. They come along on Saturdays and on Tuesdays. All right, let's get straight into this lesson. It's Wild World by Cat Stevens. We're going to start off with a bunch of pretty straightforward chords. The strumming we're going to talk about as well. We've got an A minor, so we're going to hit 2 basses. We're going to go 1 and then we're going to go down, up, down, up. Now you don't have to do this all the time, but it's kind of a good guide, I guess. If you went 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 E and a... I mean, you can do what you like. But if you just have a basis, it sort of sets you off. And so let's stick with doing the bass, down, up first, and then we'll go from there. Okay? So we've got A minor, 1 and 2 E and D7, 1 and 2 E, sorry, 3 and 4 E and okay? So all we need to do there is keep our first finger in the same place. A minor, D7. Then we're going to go to this kind of G. It's worthwhile learning, I promise. It will come in handy in the future. We're going to hit bass, down, up, and then a C. 1 and 2 E and done it again. It's 3 and 4 E and 1, 3, 4 E and F. Now when we hit the F, we don't have to play this bar chord. If you're still freaked out by bar chords, I completely understand. They're a tricky thing to get into, but you could simply play your first finger flat across the first 2 strings, second finger here on A, the second fret of the G string. Here's your, it's kind of an alternate way of playing that bar chord. Or you could kind of do the whole grab chord thing. Up to you, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, thumb. Thumb? Yes, thumb. Or, up to you, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Okay, so we've got F, D minor. Okay, then we're going to hit our first riff. We're going to play 1 and 2. And then we're going to, it goes da 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 da. So we can kind of cop that on the guitar. 1 and 2. And then we're going to go. So 1 and 2. Da da da. Yeah, 1 and 2. Da da da. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and then we're going to slide our first finger up here to the 2nd fret, 4th finger there, third finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and then slide it up again. Okay, so we're going to hit that 1 and 2 and 3 E and yeah, 4 and basically. So, and then we're going to start the song itself. Now the first half of the verse repeats exactly what we just played. So that would be A minor, D7, G major, C major, F major, D minor, E major. Here we go. Da ba 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 ba. Okay, so that's down, bass, down, up, up. And then the second half of the verse is thus: A minor, D minor, D7, sorry, G, C, F, D minor. Now, we're going to hit 2 bars of 3/4, which means there's 3 beats in each of these bars as opposed to 4 that we had before. So we've got 3 beats this time. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 chords. E major, 1 and 2 and. So it falls on the and, 1 and 2 and. Okay. Then we're going to hit this cool rundown where we're going to hit a G with an F bass. So your 3rd finger goes on F. You've got 3, 0, 0, 3. We're just going to go down, up, semiquavers, or 16ths. So Da, 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 da. We've got F, E, D. Super cool. So we've got that. Okay. And then we're going to hit the chorus, which is the fall down to C. So there's, see what I mean? So yeah, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a, back into 4 beats every bar. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and. Now, in the chorus we've got a few sections where he has a little run. If you're not comfortable with doing these, you can just continue the chords. So the chorus could be C, G, F, F, G, F, C. C, repeat that. G, F, G, F, C, D minor, E. Okay? So that's one way of getting around the chorus, if you like. The other way is to play the two little riffs that happen in bars 2 and 4 of the chorus. So we've got a little visitor coming in here. Can you come in, Smokes? Yeah, squeeze in there. Get your legs in. Sorry, Matt, I probably put the cat flap a bit tight. So in the chorus we have a C, G, F. And that riff goes C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. So basically all the way down a C major scale. So that's 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. Pretty cool, right? So we've got F, now what you do with your right hand here is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That way, when you come to go to the next chord, you're going to be going down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? So we have C, G, F, and then G, F, then we have a C major, and we have that second riff. So that is basically G, G, A, C, 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 A, G, or 3, 0, sorry, 3, 3, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3 on the low 2 strings. All right, then that repeats C, G, F, and then G, F, C, then a D minor, and then an E major. And that takes you back into the verse. Now, that basically whole thing goes around 3 times, and then there's basically a double chorus at the end. So you get intro, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, chorus. And the last little part of the chorus, you just get that F down a C major scale, G, F, and the song finishes just on a strummed C. So that is it for today. That was Cat Stevens' Wild World. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you are able to subscribe and click that bell for notifications, I have 2 lessons every week, like I said earlier. And if you are able to support the channel, plans start at Patreon from only $3 a month, where you can get exclusive lessons and a whole bunch of extra guitar content. And of course, support the channel and help me making them here. Now there's only over 450 lessons here, which seems crazy, but that's what happens if you keep making 2 lessons a week. I'll see you soon. All the best. Thanks very much.